Hi guys, my name is Michael. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can partition your C drive so they can get your D drive. Okay, so let's go right into it right now. So come to our folder, or you could just type computer manager or disk manager in your search right here, but I just prefer coming to my folder, then come to this PC. Let's click on it, then come to manager, click on it, then you come over to disk manager, click on it. Okay, so here we are. We can see the amount in our C drive, the amount of size in our C drive. We have 297. So I'm going to take some part of it to create my D drive. So let's click on shrink volume. Okay, now we want to put the size in here. So basically I want to create the D drive to have a size of 100 gigabytes. So depending on the size you want to create in your own D drive or E drive. So I just wanted to know that 1 gigabyte is equals to 1000 MB. So what you just have to do is depend on the size you want. So if you want to create a size of, you want your D drive to have a size of 100 gigabytes, you just times it by 1000, so you get the size that you want. So I'm going to put in the size now. So click on shrink. Done. So now let's click on this and click on new simple volume, then click on next, then next, then okay, so you can see here we have our, can assign the following driver letter to it. We can make it A drive, D drive, all the way to Z. So I'm just gonna make it the D drive. Okay, now I can give it a name. So the name is going to display, or it's going to display beside the D drive. Whatever name I put here is going to display beside the D drive. So it could be basically any name I can write in here. I'm just going to leave it as new volume. Then I'm going to click on enable file and folder compression so that I can save more space. So I'm going to click on this. Then after that I'm going to go to next, then next. So I can see it has been done. Autoplay new volume D. So this is it. Usually if I change the name, this new volume, if I put in a name, this new volume would have changed to the name that I put there, because I didn't change the name, it remains this. Okay, so that's it. We are done and we have created our new drive. So let's go back. You can look at it here, new drive, D drive. It's empty. And thank you for watching. That's a process on how to partition your D drive. If you want any additional information, please check my description for more information. Bye. Please subscribe, like, and comment.